I look like that guy from Welcome to the Game. I'm vlogging today. Gonna meet Coco. I'm gonna go to the Blackpink house. Didn't really care to go. Didn't really care to vlog there because I know Joan vlogged there and she was popping off with that vlog. But I do have a Too Faced event that I'm going to today. She's finally getting invited to events. But I noticed, even Hourglass invited me. Not invited me, Hourglass contacted me. So a lot of like Sephora brands are starting to come to Korea. I think Joan was also invited. She might be going too. I had to double check. But first, I need to get ready. I got really tired, so I took a nap for like an hour. But it's not even that sweet spot kind of thing where I wake up and I'm like, oh my god, I feel so refreshed. I feel dizzy and I want to throw up. Coco just texted me. So, you're gonna kill me, but the Blackpink house is closed on the 25th. What did I fucking tell you? So I guess we're meeting at COEX, which I personally don't mind because I fucking love COEX. You are probably tired of it. I'm gonna switch over to the other camera if that's okay with you.
Hi, boyfriend. Hi, boyfriend.
Hi, Coco.
You're all black today.
I have an event I have to go to.
Ooh.
Oh my god, anyway. Alright, wishy-washy over here.
Ooh.
Is that what you wore on your CD cover?
Why are your shoes white? Why aren't they black?
I hate black shoes. No, it's really unproductive when it's two people that don't know what they want to eat.
I'm just happy to be with my boyfriend.
Oh my fucking, I'm over it.
You have to wait until people come in though.
I think it's so weird to see you doing Twitch. 뭐 먹지? I need energy for this vlog. Let's say that again. 추천해줘.
Do you want something cold or hot?
I want something cold.
That. Cool buckwheat.
So 냉모밀.
Yeah.
Okay. It looks like a bit. Where'd you get this? Like 7-Eleven?
No.
Speaking of 7-Eleven, I bought some makeup from 7-Eleven in New York. I didn't have time to shop, but the one thing I bought was the makeup from 7-Eleven. 써보고 싶었어.
Is it crappy?
I mean, I haven't opened it yet. I tried the BB cream on my hand. I saw reviews on YouTube before, and it looked really shitty. But I tried it on my hand.
Really? Maybe the wear isn't as long.
Oh, yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
But if you look at the ingredients, it's like 5 ingredients. It's like mineral oil and color.
So Eddie, tell people how much you miss me.
Not that much. Just kidding.
So tell them how much you miss me.
I'm just gonna cut this shit. High key, get this for the soup. And then the noodles are an afterthought for me. You were saying, what is it called? Quiero?
Yeah.
It's like the Don Quixote. What is it?
Don Quixote.
Don Quixote. Don Quixote. I feel like I need coffee.
Should we get coffee first?
I don't know.
Let's get coffee.
I feel like oh my god. Never mind. 18 corner. I thought it would have something to do with around the corner, which is like my favorite clothing shop, but I guess not. You have like this grandma aesthetic. You always get things that make you look like, not necessarily like a grandma, but like strolling the streets of Greece in my maxi dress.
Shut up.
Don't
I
hold it on.
don't wear maxi dresses.
But I feel like everything you pull out is always like a long dress. 그치, 이거 봐. But like hip and happening, grandma. Oh my god, this is so you.
What? I actually bought something recently, like a robe.
It's like.
No, they have the like color in Korean on the package. But then on the box it says it in English. So how am I supposed to find it?
Oh, you can like mix it. What's like the purpose of that? That glitter though. That's some Cleo for you. Prism shadow. So this is the 뭐지?
Piero!
I saw signs for a while. I didn't know what it was though. Piero shopping. 귀엽다. Oh my god. It's me over there. Oh my god, me at the club. This store looks really stressful though. Me, but also me.
Random ass stuff.
Sheet masks from that brand. And snacks right next to it. I love it. Bruh. Settle down. What? It goes really far back.
Really big. It looks just like Donkey Kong.
It's really. Oh my god, they have like a makeup section. I need to stop there. Oh my god, she's got circle lenses over there. Wow. For only 5,000. Oh, these are fucking cheap.
This is a really famous Japanese line.
Oh.
Yeah.
They're famous. So
You would know better, yeah. I talk like I.
are they known for like their eyelashes? Oh my god, Circle Lens City. What is this? Is this skincare?
I don't know.
Oh, looks like Luna.
You changed your perfume, right?
Nah, I use Abercrombie. They have a. Put it. I don't know how to pronounce this. This brand. No, the
PRPL?
double cushion thing.
Oh, I don't know.
PRPL. Oh my fucking god! Is this the blush that Pony always uses? The red one. Can't get it out, but okay. Holy shit! All these fucking sponges. Oh my god! Look. Jesus Christ! I need to just come here on a separate day, but I feel like I'm overwhelmed. I didn't plan on coming here. Me. Oh my god.
Who would want to use this?
Also me and me. Me. Sorry, I can't help it. Me. Like a maze. They even have like wigs. So if you're a cosplayer in Korea, they've got you set here at. Well, I mean, you've got history. Link down below. No, I'm kidding. Oh my favorite area. 2 out of 10. Just kidding. This is me. Alien. Interesting display. Bro, what? This is so random. I feel like I'm in Payless. 이게 뭐야? 이거 왜 갑자기? 어떡해. 이거 봐. Oh my god. Oh my lord. Oh lord. Traffic. Okay. Okay. It's my fave. Oh, okay.
High five! High five! High five! High five!
More like get the fuck out of my face. There's also Clitoris Tea Room up there with their fine selections of vaginal.
You can't even use this on my channel.
Oh, that's true. But you can use it on mine. I'm like
Don't make me
28%
jealous.
an army,
Don't make me jealous.
but they look so good. Not gonna lie.
Hey, go for J-Hope at least. I look like him.
Oh my god, what? Come on.
Boyfriend, let's go!
Oh god, no.
Oh my god.
I know I've been saying me, like that's me this whole time, but I think I found it.
What?
I think I found me right there.
If we write it right now, are we gonna be okay? Because we just ate.
Fuck it.
Are we allowed
Live
to-
life. Oh my god. With my fucking capris. Alright, so I guess we're gonna ride this one over here. For shits in Titan Slayer.
멋있지?
아 그러네. Anyway. 이거 타이로 2개. 오. Protection이네. The condom of VR arcades. Me, actually me. I love it. 너무 귀엽다.
Super monster.
Why do that when I can just meet them?
Can you meet them?
No. Alright, here we go.
Here we go. Here we go.
Alright, I'm gonna set y'all down over here.
Thumbnail. We are so cute.
Are we? Because you can't see my nose.
System activated.
Holy shit! Holy shit! Like my aesthetic as of late. These sort of plants plus like these geometric shapes. But they're like real plants and that means I have to water them. I have no responsibility. Here's your coffee, ma'am.
Business class.
Oldie? Okay. My fucking...
What is this? Are
My
you
cam-
a YouTuber?
I like to pretend that I am.
Just kidding.
You know what? Unsubscribe from her. I'm here with Joan and MoMA. We're at the Too Faced event. Oh, I look so fucking like unprofessional now. Jesus. Because my camera fucking died. Hi. I mean, I can just link Joan's vlog because she vlogs better than me. But we're testing
Out some products.
the products. Does anyone really care? I feel like everyone knows Too Faced. It's like, no. Too Faced is one of those brands that has like a million palettes. Because I think it's Estee Lauder bought them out.
Oh, did they really?
I swear to God,
Or
anyone.
L'Oreal?
Estee Lauder, if the second they buy a fucking brand out, they release everything. But you've got the chocolate bar palette, which I know is pretty popular.
This one's really popular.
The peach one, which smells really good. I mean, it smells like peaches.
have
This
this.
looks really nice.
I have this.
Yeah, I fucking love the packaging on this.
Oh.
Really fucking extra,
But it's so like.
luxurious, right?
Yeah.
I actually bought this one when I was in Ulta.
근데.
The concept of this is that the concept of this is that it's supposed to be like a diamond. So every time you use it's supposed to be different. But I mean, it just looks like it's highlighter.
But packaging for Too Faced,
Oh.
very very good.
It looks like like a jewelry box.
Yeah, it's like a Tiffany box.
But you expect there to be a mirror, but there's no mirror.
Yeah. Oh, they're popular for their better than Sex Mascara.
잘한다 유튜브. 아하.
No, I want him to start a YouTube channel, but he doesn't want to learn how to edit. 하지마. We're waiting for
What?
something.
Like, is it like a demo?
I think they're gonna do a demo with the products. But basically, Too Faced is finally launching in Korea, and this
Right.
is why we're here.
A lot of brands from Sephora are starting to come over. Hourglass, she's coming over.
She is.
Laura Mercier, I think, recently came over.
I love their powder.
Yeah, wanted to try the powder so badly, but I was like, I'm a broke bitch, so
you
I
haven't
bought you know
Oh,
Sephora the
Sephora.
line,
Yeah.
where you buy the mini shit, even though technically it's probably cheaper to buy the whole full size. I bought the little powder.
Good.
Then MoMA's over here looking good.
Beautiful as always.
Honestly, it's kind of pissing me off.
내가 여기 오기 전에 엄마랑 같이 인스타 라이브 했는데 everyone's like 잘생겼다, mama so cute.
이거 봐, 이거 봐. 알아. 알고 있었어.
Yes, bitch.
Okay. At least over here.
I really want to try.
Absolutely lovely, beautiful. Love her hair, slaying, living, work.
Eddie's vlogging with his phone. Amazing.
I mean, it's legit, but there's something weird about it. What?
입술 되게 이쁘고.
입술.
필요했어. I mean, I'm just saying what you just said. This cereal, $17
Yay.
for this.
And another one.
Thanks, Moma. Thanks, Jogwon. This is actually Jogwon's cereal cafe.
Wow, that's
Really sad. 귀엽다. Ah, it's a rabbit. 귀엽다, Momo가. Aesthetics.
Okay.
Oh my God, my hand's so shaky.
어때? 이게 처음 알아?
많이 많아.
Tastes like what's that cereal? Captain Crunch.
캡틴 crunch인가 봐.
That is really frustrating. How my vlogging camera died. I had a feeling because after the ride, I turned it off. You know, it was warm, of course, because it was recording for a while. But many minutes later, it still felt warm in my pocket. I took it out and it was off. So I was like, why is it still warm? So it must have still been on and I didn't actually probably turn it off. And it probably ran out of battery then. So you're getting like 3 different cameras in this vlog. Apologize for that. Also, I got some new glasses from NYBK. I guess it's from their new collection. I wasn't really planning on buying new glasses, but I really love the way... I've been looking for glasses like this with this bar thing, and I don't know, I like them. I don't remember the model. G Oswego M56. I guess I'll link them below. We got a little goodie bag from Too Faced, and let's see what's in here. There's actually 4 full-size products, which is great, to be honest. And they're actually stuff that the artist used on the model. We've got the Hangover Replenishing Face Primer. You know, that nourishing primer that has like the coconut water in it. She was saying that a lot of their stuff, makeup and primer, is infused with a lot of skincare stuff, which I think is great. It's always good knowing that the makeup you use is infused with like skincare to help your skin, I guess. Then there's the Hangover Spray, which apparently you can use to prime, set, and refresh your makeup. Silicone-free, alcohol-free, oil-free. And the one I'm really excited for is the Sweet Peach palette, which smells really good. I never actually smelled any of the palettes, and that's kind of what they're known for. Even the chocolate bar palettes, I've never smelled them until today, which is weird because I've been fucking Sephora all the time. When I do go to America, I'm in there for a while, so I don't know why I didn't even take a sniff at the palettes. Oh, I was expecting a really strong fake peach smell, but these smell really good. These are the colors. Peachy, kind of like over here. Then you got some like, I don't know. Apparently it's supposed to represent like the stems and things, which is cute, I guess. But for me, honestly, I probably only see myself using like this side, like, let's be honest. And then there's the Better Than Sex Mascara. We all know this shit. It's a lot bigger in person. I guess because a lot of people were saying the L'Oreal Lash Paradise was a dupe for it. I just imagined the 2 mascaras being the same size, but this bitch is huge. Can you, size comparison? Here's my phone. Is that even a good size comparison? It's really big and heavy. I think that's where I'm gonna leave the vlog off for today. I wanna thank you guys for hanging out with me. Sorry for like the shitty angles, shakiness, different cameras. I need to buy an extra battery for this. Because this whole like dying in the middle of the day bullshit is not okay. I hope you guys are having a good night, day, afternoon, whatever, wherever you are. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye!